This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-50 SVT Raptor. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, voice activation technology, power-adjustable driver pedals, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Five Star Ford of Plano is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4400 West Plano Parkway in Plano.